Hi everyone, I am hoping that you all are fine. So guys, in this video, I will discuss about the best calculator available in the market. So guys, we need to understand that the importance of a good calculator. For example, suppose a student spent 4 months okay for his preparation, but he purchases, you can say, the local calculator, and in the main exam his calculator or the candidate calculator stopped working. So please understand the pain of the student and importance of calculator. So in this video I will also discuss about which calculator I used during my CMA journey. I never you can say felt any wrong with that particular calculator. So I will also discuss about. You guys can also suggest me the other some other calculator if you are currently using and which you think that the calculator is very best. Okay, so please understand the importance of calculator. And one important thing related with calculator, always if the exam will be in offline manner or online manner, please at least carry at your home or at your main exam, please two calculator. Okay, reason is that suppose if any suppose your main if one calculator stopped working, so you can use other calculator. Okay, you need not to depend or request to other candidate who can share or provide you the calculator. Okay, I have also felt from foundation to till final I always carry two laptop. Okay, during our time the exam will be offline manner, I always carry one in my main exam or one in my, you can say, one in my bag. Okay, but I never felt, you can say, I always use original calculator. So I will also discuss about the what calculator I use during my journey. Okay, so guys, I will always suggest to the Casio calculator. Okay, Casio is one of the best calculator, foundation till inter or till final I always use Casio calculator. So I will give preference to number one ranking of calculator to Casio. And please also understand the importance of original calculator. Okay, and always carry two calculator from foundation, inter and final. And after, even though after completing final, I am also using Casio calculator. Okay, you can also see this Casio calculator. Okay, as of now, after, even though after completing CMA, still I am using Casio calculator. Okay, for the, you can say, professional work. So I always use Casio calculator. Okay, apart from this we have different you can say that calculator like company calculator like Orpet or Citizen, but I always give preference to Casio calculator. You guys can also suggest me some other company which currently you are using and you are you think that yes, this is also best calculator, but I always give preference to Casio. And please understand the importance of calculator as you are as your CMA student and also after completing CMA whenever you start your professional journey. Okay, so hope you like this video, that the candidate who are looking to buy calculator, so this is also important aspect. Okay, and you guys in the comment section can also suggest me which calculator at present you are using. So from my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.